All right, we're back. I'm gonna finish these up. So I was trying to explain this before when my computer kind of froze. We are reflecting across y and we are moving 4 units right. And that is because of the reflection across the y-axis. And our third transformation is we are moving 2 units up. So just remember, because we moved 4 units to the right this time, we will have a vertex at +4, +2. Okay, and just to remind you guys, we can always check our answer in Desmos. If my computer is going to open my web browser, I will show you that right now. So just give me 1 second. All right. So if I want to check my answer to that problem, because let's make this smaller so we can look side by side. If my computer is ever going to load Desmos, I will show you how to do this. This is getting on my nerves though. All right. I guess we're not gonna really do that right now. All right, I might have to show you guys that in class or after I'm done with the other part of the notes because that is being really disappointing. So let's just move on. All right, so we have, now we're gonna do kind of the opposite of what we just did where we're gonna take the descriptions and we are going to write a parent function or a function that describes it. So we're using that same parent function, the x squared. Now if we're vertically shrinking by a factor of 2/3, that means we can call this g of x, that there's going to be a 2/3 in front of the grouping symbol. Okay, so the 3 units up is going to be outside of the grouping symbol, and 4 units right is a -4 inside of the grouping symbol. All right, and the very last one, this time we are reflecting across the x-axis, and it's 5 units to the left, so that's going to be x plus 5 inside, and 1 unit up. Okay, now my Desmos finally opened, so let's just take a look at how we could quickly check some of our answers for these. So here's my Desmos graphing calculator. Move this over. Let's say I want to check my answer to, see over here, to letter C. I'm just going to go ahead and type that equation into the Desmos graphing calculator and I'm going to see what it looks like. So I'm going to type 3x minus 2 squared, what was it, minus 5. Okay, and then if I want to, I could also graph my parent function, which is just x squared, and I can see from my picture if my answer was correct. So I said that it should be a vertical stretch by a factor of 3. It does look skinnier, so I know the red one is skinnier than the blue one, so I know that part I got right. I said it should move 2 units to the right, and look, the vertex moved from this spot right here to this spot right here. Oops, sorry. So it did go 2 units to the right, and I said it should move 5 units down, and it went 5 units down. And look at that, you guys. If I click right there, it actually gives me the answer for the vertex. So for those of you that have the patience to watch this entire video, you're going to be rewarded by knowing how to find the answer without having to do every single step all the time. I just gave you how to find the vertex, even if you're confused. So at least you can get that part just by using Desmos. It's a really great tool to help you. And that's going to be it for our notes for today. Sorry it was kind of long, but hopefully it's helpful.